Hey, what's up you guys? It's Jordan and I am back with another makeup tutorial. It's been a while since I filmed one of these and I'm actually really stoked that I finally had the time to sit down and make one for you guys. So today's video is basically just like a soft glam makeup tutorial. I have absolutely no eyeshadow on. I just primed with concealer, set with powder, slapped on a pair of lashes, and I look like I'm ready to go out for the night. So in my personal opinion, this look is not dramatic at all. It's not too dramatic to wear to school if this is something you'd be comfortable wearing. Summer is almost over, but this is a really great makeup look to wear out when it's really hot outside and people are going to be sweating. I just want to give a quick shout out to the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray because this has environmental defense, which means it fights against the heat and sweat and will try its best to keep your makeup on through all that BS. So if you guys would like to see how I achieve this soft glam makeup look, then keep on watching. So I figured I'd start the video off with my eyebrows already done just because it makes it faster. The first step to this is going to be to prime your face, and I'm going to be using two products from Smashbox today, which is extra as fuck, but you know me. This one is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, and then I also have the Photo Finish Primerizer. I do have pretty dry skin, so I try to go for products that will bring the moisture back into my face and not make me look like a reptile. So I'm just going to apply this all over evenly across my face. Okay, so next step for me is going to be to color correct. As you guys can see, I have terrible fucking dark circles under my eyes. You can't really tell on camera, but in real life, you'd probably scream if you saw me. So I'm going to be taking this NYX Dark Circle Concealer Corrector. I basically swear by this shit because it's the only product that will really cover them up as well as I need them to be. So I just kind of use my finger and dot it all over the dark areas of my face, which is only under my eyes. I don't like to apply too much because then you could see the orange peeking out underneath your foundation, and that ain't cute. So before we move on, I'm going to go ahead and blend that out with my Morphe sponge. Hi! Want to be in my video?
Making a video now.
It's okay. Come say hi. Everyone, this is Hannah. Can I have a sip of that?
It's really good.
Straight out the bottle.
It's really good.
Ah, wow. I needed that. Okay, guys. So next I'm going to be applying my foundation, and I'm going to take this. I don't know how to say this. It's from Lancome. It has some weird French name that I'm not even going to try to say. And I'm going to be using the shade 240 Buff W. And then I'm going to be mixing it with my Marc Jacobs Genius Gel Foundation. You guys know I love this foundation and I will use it until the day I rot in my grave. Okay, so I just mixed the two foundations on the back of my hand. And then I just kind of dot it. Oh my god, there's a hair on my face. I just dot it all over. And now we begin to blend, and you want to make sure you're getting underneath the eyes where we put that orange color corrector, otherwise you're gonna look like a fool. Wow, this foundation really accentuates my mustache, doesn't it? I'm gonna blend the foundation down my neck too because, you know, pale boys 2018. Okay, I think we're all blended now. Okay, so for concealer, I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape. I love this product because it's the most full coverage concealer I've ever came across in my entire life. And I'm going to apply this in the spots where I want to highlight my face. And I'm going to blend out my under eyes last so we can avoid creasing because that's egg. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with my Coty Airspun setting powder to set all that in place. And I'm not really baking, I'm just placing the product on top of my skin, and I'm just going to dab it in until it's all absorbed. I highly do not recommend to bake your face if you have dry skin because it just makes your skin look more dry. I'm also going to put this powder right here where my smile lines are because that's where my foundation creases the most. And this is how you get it not to crease. Pro tip, life hacks by Jor Harm. I'm also going to use that powder to set my eyelids just because this setting powder is very long lasting and will definitely keep my makeup on all day long. Spilled that shit all over my pants. So I'm going to be using my Cover FX Illuminating Setting Powder in the shade Light to set the rest of my face. I want my skin to look more glowy than matte, so that's why I'm not using the other powder all over. So I'm just going to pour some into the lid. Just a teensy bit. What I do is I just barely dip my brush in. Just barely. And then we just set the cheeks, the nose, the forehead, and you can apply this product wherever you want your skin to glow a little bit more. And I really love this powder because even though it has a little bit of a sheen to it, it's not going to make you oily, and it actually does set your makeup in place. Okay, so I'm going to go in with a little bit of bronzer now, and you guys know I love the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Excuse me. And I'm not going to be going too crazy. I usually will literally spread this all over my entire fucking face. But today, we're going natural, ladies. Strap in. Yes, queen. Oh my god. I'm using circular motions because I feel like that's how I get it to blend out the best. Then it doesn't look like you just have a black stripe on your face. And I'm going to take some of that to the jawline too, just a tiny bit. Okay, so we're going to contour now. I'm going to be taking my Anastasia contour kit, using this middle shade right here just to sculpt my face a little bit. And we're going to take some to the forehead too, just a little. And we're going to contour our jaw. Can never go wrong with a sharp jaw now, can you? And then I'm going to take some more of this Coty Airspun powder to clean up underneath my contour. That's why I like this sponge, because it has this straight edge at the top, so you can perfectly map out where you want the powder to go. And then we just go ahead and dust it away. And voila. So I'm going to be contouring my nose a little bit using the same exact shade from the Anastasia contour kit. And I just lightly dust the sides of my nose. I don't want to do anything too crazy. Okay, so before we use any more powders, I'm going to go ahead and spritz my face with some facial spray because my face is feeling a little bit dry. I like to use the Mario Badescu sprays before setting spray. I don't know why, so don't ask. I just like it better. And then I just give a little bit more blendage before we move on. Okay, so I'm going to be applying some blush now, and I'm using my go-to NARS in the shade Orgasm. And just popping that on the cheekbones, bringing some life back into my face. I'm not really a blush person, so I kind of just like to, you know, give it a little extra oomph and leave it at that. You know, I don't want to do nothing insane. And next I'm going to be applying some highlight. This is my favorite part of the entire process. So I'm going to be using my other go-to product. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amrezy collab highlighter. It's beautiful, it's golden, and I'm going to be placing that right on top of the cheekbones. Hannah, I don't think you've ever seen me wear makeup. Oh yeah, you have one time. Only once.
What are you talking about?
And the nose. And then I kind of just like to use those circular motions again to make sure it's blended all the way. I'm going to apply some highlight on my brow bone in my inner corner. And I'm going to be going into my Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette. I'm going to be using this shade right here as my highlight. Okay, so the last step is to apply lashes, but before we do that, I'm going to put some setting spray on my face. You guys know I love the Urban Decay All Nighter. That is my go-to setting spray. It's pretty self-explanatory. All Nighter. It stays on all night. And we love a queen who could stay on all night. Pollution protection. Aww. Okay, so first I'm going to apply some mascara. My favorite mascara of all time is the L'Oreal Telescopic. I've told you guys this before, I'll say it again. It's better than any high-end mascara I've ever used in my life. Fuck! I got mascara on my face. Whenever I wear falsies, I like to make sure I'm fully coating my lashes so that the fake ones will blend the best they can. Okay, so I'm going to apply my lashes off camera and I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, I'm back with my lashes on. I'm going to show you guys which lashes I use. These, surprisingly, are one of my all-time favorite lashes to use ever. And they're by Ardell, so they're cheap. I do not like Ardell Wispies or like the glamour ones or anything just because they look so cheap. So I like to get these fake mink lashes from Ardell. This is what the package looks like. I always buy them in... what is this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs because they're beautiful and they make every makeup look absolutely amazing. So you're welcome. I'm just going to apply some mascara onto my bottom lashes now. Okay guys, so this is my finished look. As you can see, it's very... I mean, it's obviously not natural, but it's very soft. It's not too dramatic. Not too much going on the eyes. Like, I literally put no eyeshadow on at all. So this is an easy, simple way to be full glam, but still look very soft and pretty and cute at the same time. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow all my social media. It will be down in the description box below if you haven't seen it yet. And I love you guys so much. Bye.